How to track Zara order. In order to track your Zara order, you could simply open the Zara app or website on your device. And here, you just want to make sure to go to your account section from the bottom right. There, you want to go to the purchase section at the top of the page. Here it is. Once you've done this, what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and select the particular purchase that you wish to track. Underneath, you could find a tracking ID. You could just simply click onto the link, and that's going to take you to a page where you can track your order, whether it's preparing, shipped, delivered, or something like that. And that is how you're supposed to track Zara order. In some cases, you might not be able to see the tracking ID, so you might have received it on your email. So you also need to check your email as well. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you're having any sort of issue, you can simply contact support team as well.